Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are driving into St. Thomas and we are going to give you an update on the construction of the Mahogany Vale Dam in St. Thomas. Now, Jamaica is developing quickly and a lot of progress taking place around the island. But there are two things that seem to be slowing down or causing concern as these developments go. And one is water. Now, can you believe or can you imagine that a tourist town like Negril has problems with water? Not to mention Jamaica is an island surrounded by water, but a major tourist town, one of the most popular tourist destinations in the world, has a problem with water. Now the government is addressing the issue. They're spending billions of dollars to put in pipelines, but those pipelines have to go to a source of water. And although you have rivers and things, dams are needed. In Kingston, we have two main dams. I don't remember when they were built, but I know no new dam has been built in the last 20 years in Kingston. And look at the amount of housing developments that have gone up in the last 20 or 30 years. Look at how many high-rise buildings. So they have to sort out this water problem. And the main way to do it, or there are other ways, but a dam is a major way to solve this problem. So they plan to build a dam in St. Thomas, and then that dam would then get the water to Kingston through via pipes, etc. So this dam is very important. And what's very surprising is this dam was discussed back in 1967. Now, can you imagine if this dam was built back then? The water problems that you have in Kingston and St. Andrew, it wouldn't be so bad. But it wasn't, but it's on the table now and it's a national priority now. So we're going to go through an article that gives more information on this. Feasibility studies and engineering assessments continue for the development of the Mahogany Vale Dam in St. Thomas, says Minister without portfolio in the Ministry of Economic Growth and Job Creation. This will ensure reliable water supply for thousands of Jamaicans and forms part of the government's plan to increase the amenities provisions to communities. The Mahogany Vale Dam will be part of a major integrated project aimed at solving Jamaica's water and energy problems and making the island a truly green country. It will utilize the well-established pump hydro storage and hydroelectricity concepts. The facility was first proposed in a 1967 report as a possible solution for augmenting the supply of potable water in Kingston. The project was later abandoned in favor of the less capital-intensive but lower-yielding Rio Cobra water supply scheme. The minister stated that the project will mainly serve residents of Kingston, St. Andrew, and St. Thomas. It would also benefit St. Catherine because you would be pulling less water from St. Catherine as well, he said. The minister said additional reservoirs are being contemplated by the government to increase Jamaica's water storage capacity. One was announced by the Prime Minister in his budget presentation for Clarendon North Central. This will be a small reservoir built there, but there are others that we are contemplating and we will give further details shortly, he said. Meanwhile, he said storage capacities at major reservoirs are to be increased, as well as the supply of black tanks and community tanks across the island. We do expect to increase storage at our major reservoirs. We do expect to build new reservoirs in different parts of the country. We do expect to continue our investment in expansion and replacement of community tanks and new tanks where necessary. And yes, we are also working at the household level. Alright guys, so that's the end of the update article. So it's good that the government is moving forward with this plan. So we'll keep you guys updated on the construction of this dam. Alright guys, enjoy the rest of the tour. This is actually the Southern Coastal Highway, built to take you from Kingston to St. Thomas and then into Portland. Alright guys, have a good day.